Well, hello to YouTube, this is Radikins again. Hello again. Right. Oh look. Clean, tidy, which means one thing. Right, shall we reveal? Dum da 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 dum. Right. Oh, I've zoomed in by mistake. Hate this phone. Need to get a new phone. Nope, wrong way. Come on, work. There we go. Right. There we go. That is the Olympic. 99.9% complete. Again, I still need to... I'm waiting for the transfers to arrive, because I've ordered them off the Revell missing parts page, so I need to find new ones. Right, again. Let's see, this has actually come out rather nice. And basically, let's see, here we go. Right. Each model... I've done each one is slightly different, especially in the rigging in certain places. Obviously, these are different ships. The sunlight's bright. There we go, in the shadow. Again, this is turned out to be a nice little kit. I wish they would make it. I would say more prevalent, more available. I'm going to say more available to people. Right. Again, but you've seen that one already. You've seen that one in the previous video. And what have we got here? We've got the next one in line. There we go, the legendary one. There's the Titanic. Again. Now, I say again, slightly different, and again, 99% complete. For example, you need to paint top lifeboats and put the transfers on. Because transfers are very, very fiddly, and, well, police actually have these ones. Again, there's nothing real special, basically, about this one. I just basically followed, the kit instructions, painted them identically. But saying that though, the funnels are, as on Titanic, is a slightly, thinned out yellow, just basically, here we go. You can see, just there's a slight lightness in the colour, just because basically, if these these two are at about the same time, this one been a bit longer, may got a bit dirty. Again, hence why there is slight weathering on the Olympic, Titanic has none. Right, but I think this is I think the next one is the one that everyone wants to see, and see them all together. And here we go, Britannic. Unfortunately, though, there is this is the second take of this video, and unfortunately, though, as I was handling it, the bloody transfers fell off. Oh well. Airfix transfers for you, would you expect? The transfers that I was using came off the RMS Mauritania kit, the Airfix Mauritania. Slightly to scale, so it looks like I'll be painting the red crosses on. So, but that's maybe about a 20-minute job. But look at them, all three complete. Now, again, I need to find somebody who can print transfers, because basically it doesn't have a name. It doesn't have a name, so I need to find somebody who can do that. But we'll get on to some of the details of the Britannic here. I need to turn it around because one side's slightly different than the other. Right, forward well deck. Raised. I have raised the the forward cargo hatches. Again, they are slightly different. Unfortunately, I couldn't raise them too high, just simply because basically I didn't want to really cut into the well deck and make it have gaps everywhere. I also got these steam pipes also in place as well. I think they're assume steam pipes. I have no idea what they're for. Yeah, I just saw them on photographs and plans. Right, I haven't done the observation platform on top of the bridge. It was basically, it kept on breaking off, which I am really disappointed with, unfortunately. Right. I've also may have over-weathered the funnels a bit, but I can sort that out. I'll say, and the camera doesn't do it justice. Once upon the and the camera it looks rather dark. Whereas in real life, is actually the tops are actually lighter. Yeah, say the tops are actually lighter, and they'll say on the bottoms. Imagine this one, just maybe in a couple of shades lighter. Right, we've also got the forward gantry davit. Again, gantry davits and these little crosses were 3D printed by Shapeways. I'll post a link in the description for you. Right, moving along. Right, these lifeboats. Okay, well, these lifeboats came with the kit, and basically all they do is basically just slightly modify them. And for example, collapsible boats, I put them in place because basically, why the hell not? And each boat is rigged. If I go over that, basically, you see it's rigged. And and just to go over the top here for a second there. This deck house here has been, made symmetrical, almost. Again, basically, I'm not a perfect modeler by any means. I consider myself okay, but you know what? I'm not perfect. I would say if I had better tools, I could probably make this thing flawless. Right, where were we? Oh yes, forward gantry davits. I've just realised actually I need to weather up these boats a little bit. Oh well, I'll go on it. Rear gantry davits. Right, even though Shapeways and they look awesome, there is a design flaw in them. For example, if I go over the top, too deep, or 2 rows, 2 stacks. They're supposed to have 3 stacks, but again, Shapeways, they were £27 overall, and I believe they were worth it, because basically there was no way I could make these at all. No, even as my brother, he would have no chance either. And well, let's say what can you do? Right. Also, the end of the deck basically got these blocks or something. I'd say maybe storage lockers. Some sort of no idea what they are. The deck has been squared off. I need to put a little support on the end there and make it look like it's the rest of the promenade. Right, and rear poop deck. Now this is the biggest headache. Is the covering of the shade deck, as it's called, over the aft-well deck. I could not get it to match, even with filler. I'm going to say loads and loads of sanding. I just couldn't get it to match, and it looks plain. I couldn't even get the paint to match, even after several coats. But what can you do? Perhaps this will. Make Revell basically actually build a kit for this, maybe even a conversion kit for, with the standard Titanic. You never know, because this is actually a Titanic model. Right, and we've got the raised poop deck. Again, there's there's a blockhouse under there. Again, I took a little bit of artistic license, with that poop deck, just because basically you can't. I can't find any decent, any any basically reliable drawings or pictures. Everywhere I looked, it always seems slightly different. So I took a little bit of artistic license with it. This model overall is a bit of artistic license. And again, right, going into the boats here. Right, Shapeways. They make you, basically, 2 forward davits, and I think it was 2 forward. Well, there's 10 in total. Well, no, I tell a lie. They give you 2 fronts. Or was it 4 fronts? So I'd give you 4 front davits and 6 rear davits. I can say, of which you only need 5. So I would say, and these are the best ones. They weren't perfect, neither of them were. A couple of them actually broke on me trying to get them off their sprues. See if you look here, basically they're pinched in slightly, but oh well. Also, I also found it difficult to rig these, so they are not rigged. I say, but these broken ones, I turned. Let's say, so broken ones I turned into these rear boat stacks. Yeah, I turned into these rear boat stacks again. Conflicting pictures and designs every time I see. So basically, again, took a little bit at its license, and this is a hospital ship during war. More boats the better. Why not? Again, so probably not 100% historically accurate. I'll also do one note on the lifeboats here. Again, these came with a kit, but I say you needed rows of 6. Obviously, I say they came in rows of 4. So one had to be cut in half. One of the rear set had to be cut in half. The 2 front sets remained whole and complete. And he also needed 2 davits. Again, this is one of those. I say this is the 4th set, or the second rear set. Again, cut in half, then cut into quarters again. Basically, giving us set 2 davits. There are actually have 2 spare. It's somewhere, but. So you have plenty of boats for that. Even some extra boats if you want them to put them anywhere. Where you put them, I'm not sure because it's pretty crammed. And well, I say again, this build was fun. I enjoyed it. A few headaches here and there, and I now have a little model collection that I have desired maybe since I was 5 years old, and I actually have all of them. I've attempted to make the Britannic in the past, which failed. In fact, it's still in my loft, half built. So I'll do something with that, and plus, well, it's not in this scale. It's a 570 scale, and getting the Olympic. Yeah, I thought that would never happen, but it did. So look, I say, if watching these videos has helped you in any way possible to help build your own, especially the Britannic, I wish you the best of luck, and I thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed these. I'm going to take a few pictures myself and put this on Facebook, but for you, I'm just going to shut up for the moment and just shoot you a few dramatic shots. Set that in the picture, you could probably distinguish them from the real thing. There we go. Right. Ciao for now.